YouTube. I know I'm too close, but YouTube, you know what I'm saying? It's your boy Wavykid Cav. Today in this video, I did a straight hair client, curly hair on top, mid fade where it comes to a V in the back, nice full beard. It was real clean. This client came from one of my guys, Germ. He referred him to me. He said he got a barber, but his barber is too far of a drive for him to take every time. He got a lot of trust issues with his beard. He got a real full beard. But y'all know me, the beard is my favorite part of the cut. But have some struggles during this haircut, okay? Y'all gonna see it. But at the end of the day, he loved the cut. In real life, this cut looked clean. It perfectly fitted him. But me, being me, I like to hold myself to a higher standard. There was a lot of stuff I could have fixed. And hold on. And the guy that I was cutting today, I think his name is David. He has a gourmet popcorn business. This flavor right here is pizza. And then we got this, you know what I'm saying? This is nice packaging. What's poppin'? I'm gonna leave all the links. Y'all can follow him on Instagram at What's Poppin' Popcorn. It's right here. But yeah, let's try this real quick. It's a test. Ooh. Alright, y'all, as y'all can see, I mean y'all can't see, but this tastes just like pizza. Can't even realize. At first when you put it in your mouth, it tastes like popcorn. But as soon as you start chewing and the flavors get out, it's just like pizza. Y'all make sure y'all give them a follow. Let me know how y'all think about the cut. It's your boy Wavykid Cav. Like, comment, subscribe. Just like right now, if you already know it's gonna be a banger. And let's get into this video. Let's go.
Yeah, it's the way. It's the way. Wavykid Cav. Yeah, it's the way. It's the way. It's the way.
Do y'all want to say anything?
Make sure you subscribe.
Wavykid Cav.
YouTube, but finally got a mic. Let me know how this sound. But first of all, what you want to do every haircut that you do is basically prepare to be cut, comb it out. What you need to do. After that, we're gonna debug the 2-guard open using my Enders Masters. Okay. I really like using the Masters to cut down bulk fast, and then it is a little mishap that I had on this haircut. He told me he wanted me a ball fade with, like, he wanted the fade to come to a V. So I did that, but in doing so, set my guidelines. I set the 2 guidelines in 2 different ways, and the V didn't come like to a point. So the fade kind of didn't look. It kind of looked a little bit different on both sides, but I mean, as long as the client liked it, and I can learn from every cut, because I really don't have a lot of experience with this type of hair texture. But it's all good. We're going to get better. You know what I'm saying? We're going to get better. Alright, so I'm setting my ball guideline. And that's the point where I messed up right there. I should have just made it straight instead of dropping it down below the ear. I should have made it straight and then curved it back, if that makes any sense to you guys. But either way, we're just going to continue on this cut. So after you set your guideline in, first thing I'm going to do after this is go to the lever open. Go to the lever open about a 1/2 inch, I would say. And on this straighter hair texture, you just want to keep your guidelines consistent. Okay, go over the guidelines more than once. Just make sure the guideline is really in there. After that, okay, we go to the next guidelines, the 1-guard open. I see that gold blade on there, the gold guard. It looks so cool, but I'm going up another 1/2 inch. Just make sure you're keeping it consistent, nice and neat. Brush everything down, and yep, just keep going through your steps. 2-guard open, debulking that top part. Even though we did it a clipper over comb, that wasn't being neat at all. We were just getting stuff out the way. So we're gonna debulk with this 2-guard open and get some of this hair out the way. After that, we're gonna do some more clipper over comb, and just trying to create shape with the rest of the fade. Honestly, after looking at the cut, I think I could have did a lot better on the clipper over comb, and I gotta get better at shear work all in general, because I don't have like a lot of experience with it. So I plan to try my hardest to learn. That's why I wanted to get more straight hair clients, so I can learn at it, so I can learn and just get better at that hair texture. So after we use the clipper over comb, I'm gonna use the 1-guard open and knock out that guideline between the 1-guard open and the 2-guard open. Taking that top line out, most beginners, I might want to use a 1/2 guard, 1.5 guard instead of the 1-guard open, because it just might be a little bit easier. But I like using the 1-guard open. It's faster, and if you know what you're doing, it could be we're easy. So now we're gonna soften up the middle line using the 1-guard closed on that middle guideline before we use the 0-guard closed on it. Alright, now that we softened it up, we're gonna go with the 0-guard closed. You're gonna adjust it if you need to go higher. If you're doing this texture, you need to adjust if you go higher. If you don't, it's just gonna raise the whole fade. You got to start all the way over. Textures like this, you have to be real cautious. Okay, if you go any higher, adjust the lever. If you go higher to where you see it's in a different section of the fade, then you just need to change the guard. Okay, it'll help you do better. After we did that, coming with this lever close, and it's the same action as if you was using the 0-guard close. Just take the line out, and then as you go higher, adjust the lever as you go up. Alright, we done taking the ball guideline out. We are gonna do some detail work.
How's it looking? Feels nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It feels nice.
Oh yeah, dude.
Oh snap.
Oh my god. It feels so good.
Yeah.
But once my hair starts to touch my ears, I'm like, okay, I need a haircut.
Yeah.
Like same with the beard. Like I've been trimming it like steadily up here just so it doesn't tickle my ears. Man.
Yeah, see, he didn't even see the cut yet. He's still loving it. So after you guys finish the fade, we're going to come back and do detail work, but to speed up the process, you're just going to fade the beard in the same exact steps. Instead of using the 2-guard, just going to go with the 1-guard open with the green. After you do the 1-guard, open against the green, just it'll fade in like that, and then the rest of the steps is the same. I'm going to do the other side of the beard. Just going to speed this up. client did tell me that he wanted an edge up, so we're gonna clipper over comb the front edge, because I was just gonna freehand it, but you can't do that with this texture, so you know what I'm saying? You just freehand it. I just said freehand it. You just clipper over comb it, I pull it out front, and then took the top and just cut off what's sticking out. Then you comb it down, knock it down, deliver with the one guard open. And then you just go about your process. The hairspray, blow drying it, brushing it down, wait till it dry. Then just line it up, getting it crispy as possible. Now, although I made some mistakes on this haircut, I really feel like this cut came out clean. You know what I'm saying? It's for me not to have as much experience with it. But yeah, I feel like this cut came out real clean. Even though I made some slight mistakes, but them little things can be fixed. Obviously, because I'm willing to learn and willing to get better, so we're just gonna get better one cut at a time. But my client loved the cut. He said he was coming back for sure. So he said he's gonna bring other people to come back with him. So we're just gonna wait, and we're just gonna get better at these hair textures. Alright, I see that shot right there. It's mad clean. Even though like it's a little bit bulk on the left rear. I said the left rear, like this is a car. The left back side of the head is a little bit bulk. I should have clipper over comb. But in real life, this cut was crazy though. I can't lie. Now I'm just gonna do the eyebrows, cause he needed his eyebrows shaped up, so we're gonna clean that up. Alright, y'all see I'm going with my thinning shears. I just cleaned up some bulk, even though I should have cleaned up more. That left back side. In real life, it looked perfect. You wanna see if I put it on camera?
Yeah. Ooh! Oh shit! Okay. Yo, I love it. Yeah. I thought people love it. Hell yeah. Beard looking right. Okay, young bud. Okay, I see you.
Feel, bro?
Feels great. Look good, feel good,
Yes,
be
sir.
good.
Yes, sir. Yo.